till I get my money right.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have Bitcoin up on the screen, the 12-hour. Just going to do a quick update for you on where we're at. Obviously, broke off into new highs back there on Monday. So 2 days ago, not that long ago, right? Obviously, yesterday we got whacked back a little bit. But honestly, nothing to worry about at this point in time. We have the fibs drawn out here. You can see where we came down to. Smack that 786 here, right? And on the shorter time frame here, certainly looks like putting in a wave 4. So the question is, does this hold? If not, it would be completely normal for Bitcoin to come back down and test this level here for two reasons. One, you have the 618 there of this range. Additionally, you have the top of this first wave coming in. Just normal Elliott waves right there and a 5-wave move. The other thing you want to pay attention to, the volume down here, right? Still way higher buy volume aggregately, looking back all the way back here to the low on September 28th. So we did have some sell volume there, but we still didn't exceed the buy volume that we had back here. I am optimistic that this thing is going to start moving to the upside sooner than later. Again, it's okay if it wants to come down here. You also have a support right there at like 119.3. So going to have to see how that plays out for Bitcoin, but still pretty optimistic that we're about to have another new high coming in. And I do think that that's going to take a lot of the altcoin market with it. So the other thing you want to pay attention to on the oscillators here, the stochastic RSI, we're at a point where this thing could fall. We want to hold the 60 preferably, right? That'll keep us up here in bull territory. What happens when price weaves up here? Well, or excuse me, when the RSI weaves up here, well, that's when we get price appreciation. So it's okay. We were running hot up here, right? We were at 199 all the way up here while the price was still going up. We needed to cool off for a sec. So let's see if we come down, kiss that, and go. The other thing to pay attention to, the MACD, we're at a point where we could have a little bit of a bearish cross there, but this is also the exact area that could fake a lot of traders out. It comes down, kisses it, and bounces. People start shorting because they think, they're getting ahead of it by doing that. But again, at the same time, we do have that support coming in right there. We have a couple supports right here. So everything completely normal. This is just price movement at its finest. I do think Bitcoin is going to be breaking off into new all-time highs here soon. And like I said, going to be taking the altcoin market with it. I do think there's a lot more outperformance that's going to be happening, though, in the altcoins over the next few months. So that being said, guys, join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord channel, and I teach you how to do TA just like me. Link to that in the bio. If not, just super appreciative you're here. If you can follow, like, repost, I want to get this out to as many people as I can before it's too late. Hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to you soon.